In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Workspace data. We'll use Google's built-in export tool, often called Google Takeout, to create a downloadable archive of your emails, files, photos, and more. This is helpful for backups, audits, or when you're transitioning to a new account. Quick note before we start. If you're using a work or school account, your organization's admin may limit or disable exports. If you don't see certain options, check with your IT team. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Takeout. This is the quickest way to find the export page without memorizing the URL. In the results, look for the official Google page that leads to takeout.google.com. Avoid lookalike sites and make sure the address bar shows a Google domain so your data stays safe. Click the correct link to open Google Takeout. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with the Google Workspace account you want to export from. Double-check the profile icon in the top right corner to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you're signed into multiple accounts in the same browser. You'll now see a list of Google services that can be exported. Check the boxes for the data you want to include, such as Gmail, Drive, and Photos. If everything is selected by default, you can use Deselect All, then turn on only what you need to keep the archive manageable. For some services, you can customize details. For example, Gmail exports as Mbox, which most email clients can import. Drive lets you decide whether to convert files to common formats or keep the originals. In Photos, you can include specific albums if you don't need everything. When you've chosen your data, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. On the next screen, pick your delivery method. The most common choice is to receive a download link via email. You can also export directly to cloud storage if that's allowed for your account. Choose your file type, typically .zip, since it works on most computers without extra software. You can also set the maximum file size for each archive part, which helps if your connection is slower or your device has limited space. Finally, click Create Export. The export process can take anywhere from minutes to several days, depending on how much data you selected. You'll get an email when it's ready. Keep in mind the download links are time-limited, and large exports may be split into multiple files. Save the archive in a secure location and handle it carefully since it contains your private information. That's it. Your Google Workspace data is on its way to you.